Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel, because now it's
Say it
our
again.
channel. What were you doing? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. This is going to be part 2 of trying to decorate the tree, because you guys are going to see part 1 and it's very like plain. There's only balls on our tree.
Blue ball.
Blue ball. Oh my god, those are nice. Oh, look at this blue one.
Yeah.
This is a nice pink too, but this blue one, oh my god, look at this one. Oh, this one has silver. It's so cute. Oh my god, ahí están los arbolitos chiquitos. Let me see how much they are. Little pink one for summer would be so cute. Oh my god.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many
Silver pine cones. We should do this for the tree. No, I'm gonna tell Ruben. Wait, how much are they? They're $2. Probably gonna be like, well, we have some at home. You can just spray paint them. Watch, he's gonna say this. Babe, look.
Huh?
$2.
$2?
Yeah.
Yeah. Como fuera un chingo.
See, I told you he was gonna say that. Oh my god, qué bonito. I like this. Pero así. Así estaría bonito. Like by the entrance. If I had a grand entrance. I don't. What? Really? It's 30?
although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Mira, este me gustó. ¿Cuál? Oh, he's like melting. This is pretty much Arizona right here.
Yeah.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
it's been said many times, many ways. Merry Christmas.
Is that Comet? What's that? Mario Bye-bye. Oh my god, that for outside, babe? The tree? And the tree. The gifts that look like bushes. Kia babacito. Kia babacito, Marcia. Ay, ay. Mommy kissy. Mommy. Look at all the nutcrackers you will ever need. Oh, that's cute. That matches our tree too. 17. This one is so... Babe, she's terrified. Hey, gordo.
She's terrified of these?
Well, keep her away from the tree then. Look it, imagine buying 2 big ones like that. Putting them by the entrance. There's 2 big ones right there. This one. She's scared. Oh, we can buy little ones for the tree. How much are these? $2.99. And they move too. They move too. Right?
Look, the gingerbread.
Oh, esta se le cayó la manita.
So le pones some nuts right there.
That's why they're called nutcrackers. Look at all the trees. These look just, that looks just weird. Make me some. This one's from Elsa, Mama? Elsa and Anna? Moo. Oh, look, babe. We can create my haystack outside. We can just wrap it like a bow. Put a ribbon on it.
It's not scary, it's just a little...
Summer's like scared of everything now, apparently. You know what I think it is? Está chiqueada.
Sí.
No, es porque tú estás aquí.
Sí, está bien chiquita.
Sí, la tienes así chiqueada. It's not Bambi? You haven't seen that movie, huh? Hey, hey, hey! Don't do that. Don't do that. That's nasty. Ah, ah. Pues you're not supposed to be doing that. Oh my, what the? Look at those trees.
The Grinch one.
They?
Looks like the Grinch.
Yes. There's a topper right there, look. That peacock looking thing.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. home, we ended up getting this ribbon that we're gonna put on the tree, and then these ornaments, and this one to give us some dimension. And then some snowflakes. Mamás tiene bien poquitos. Oh, 6 pieces.
And that.
Oh, and this ribbon too. She saw this one and she wanted it so bad. It's so cute though. It's a little lantern and it turns like the light, the color of it. And then we got a topper. Because in the first part you guys saw my freaking bowl que parecía chicharrón. Chicharrón, ¿verdad, ma? Like, look at that. Oh, y esas luces, I already had them, but we're gonna put them inside the tree topper, nomás para que prenda un poquito luz. And it looks nicer. Alright, you guys, we have a special guest with us tonight. This is Rubina.
Hello, guys. Welcome you to my house to share this beautiful time of the year. I don't touch my.
She's gonna rip them off.
Ooh, they feel all weird now. Yeah, you see? Bling bling.
Damn, they blind her. Wow. While we decorate the tree, she's gonna be painting. She's like dancing.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. In my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Summer, look, mommy.
Tradition.
That's gonna put the topper on.
Huh?
She said, "What's that?" A ver si cabe.
I think I gotta fold this.
Yeah, just hold it. No? Oh my god. Hasta abajo.
Huh?
No. If Summer bumps into it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Scary.